Another thing that lots of people do know about, but probably is seldom talked about, is bad breath. So if you're getting a bad breath issue, typically it's because there might be maybe a bit of swelling or similar around the gums, or indeed a gum disease problem. It's likely if you have a gum disease problem that you'll already know about this because your dentist has talked to you about it before and or you've been receiving treatment for it. If that's happening at the moment, you can't get that additional professional help. Just make sure you're sticking to your normal routine and maintenance, and maybe even up it a little bit because you aren't getting that additional professional help. So again, important things to remember: into dental cleaning with either your little brushes, dental floss, and make sure you're spending all of that time brushing your teeth ordinarily if you can with a power brush. Helpful things: mouthwashes, and if you've got a particular favourite, great. There are plenty of proprietary brands out there. If you can't get out to go and get that, so warm salt water will work quite well. And again, sluice that in and around to bathe those areas. Sometimes we have a problem called post-nasal drip. Now that's where we have some irritation, chronic irritation at the back of our nose. Now the bugs and the mucus and all the things that accumulate back there are either going to come down here, we blow our nose, great, but sometimes it can go the other way, and then that drips back onto our oropharynx, so right at the back of the throat back here where the airway and the throat join together. And of course then that kind of hangs around, it can sit there because your tongue can't get there, you can't get mouthwash down there because it's sort of right up here where you can't really see it. Well, if you look really hard in the mirror with a torch you probably can. So again, it's important to remember that there are other things that happen here. You'll typically find if that is happening and you've got a bit of an odour with it, that you get a bit of a coating to your tongue in the morning as well. Tongue cleaning here is actually quite important, and if we do that we can minimise the issues associated with it. There's a little helicopter coming over my house now, so we'll just pause for a moment.